Hey everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. We are going to make PB&J thumbprint cookies. I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we need. Excuse my coffee. Baking powder, oats. It says chunky peanut butter, but we're going to use creamy. Peanuts, ground cinnamon, baking soda, vanilla, flour, brown sugar, butter, and last but least, some sweetener. We're gonna make them sugar-free. Oh, and honey. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a regular, like and subscribe. Or, oh my gosh, I said that all wrong. If you're new to my channel, like and subscribe. If you are a veteran to my channel, welcome and like my content. And I hope y'all enjoy this. Because it's something that I've been wanting to do, but I haven't gotten the guts up to do it. But it's a protein cookie, so that's what we're going to go with. And sugar-free, for the most part. So hang on.
Okay, so what I did here was I lost some of my footage because I have a really bad videographer that she can't stand, and she can't, I don't know. Anyway. I combine my oats, flour, soda, baking powder, and salt and cinnamon in my bowl. Then in my mixing bowl, I'm going to beat my brown sugar, my butter, and right here, what I'm doing here is I'm taking my brown sugar and I push it down with my measuring cup, with another measuring cup that would fit down in there to pack my brown sugar really good. Because you always want, when it says pack brown sugar, you really want it packed. And I just kind of wiped out my bowl because it sits on the counter, but it wasn't dirty. And I mix it with an electric mixer. Well, I guess y'all can see I mix it with an electric mixer, duh. But I beat all that and the sugar in my bowl until it's light and fluffy. Okay, now I'm going to add my butter. You see me count my butter? Well, I needed a stick and a half, and I needed to count down so I could see on my other one what was I doing. Not what I was doing, what I needed to measure. That's my new knife I got for Christmas from Santa Claus. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. My roommate's scared of it, thank goodness. Is I'm measuring out my peanut butter. I'm going to give y'all a little FYI. Take a little bit of oil or your melted butter, swoof it around in the thing in whatever you're using to measure your peanut butter out in, or your honey, and then what you do is it wipes out really, really well. So just to let y'all know how to do that. Yes, I wash everything and wash my hands and clean up after myself the whole time. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop the peanuts. My blender, my electric mixer, I think is still going. Maybe it's not. Maybe I turned it off. But anyway, I'm going to add these peanuts to the bowl because you're going to use probably about a fourth of a cup, half a cup of chopped peanuts. You can use unsalted, salted, or honey roasted. I used lightly salted because that's what my roommate likes to eat, and I stole his peanuts. So anyway, what I keep doing is I keep scraping the bowl. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding my mixture of flour and all to my my brown sugar and all slowly. I already added the peanuts. I just take a measuring cup and pour it in there. See, my videographer just realized that she wasn't down on the bowl. Fancy that. Oh my gosh, she needs to be, she's fired. Yep, she's fired. So I'm going to blend it up a little bit longer, and then what we're going to do is, well, I guess I'm not going to blend it up a little bit longer. But anyway, what we're going to do is roll this up into balls and we're going to cook them for 10 minutes, bake them for 10 minutes. We're going to take them out, take a spoon, we're going to put little like divot holes in it, and then what I'm going to do is I'll fill it with jelly, any kind of jelly that you want, and then you'll put it back into the oven for about 10 minutes. About 6 to 8 minutes longer. And what I'm doing here is I take my parchment paper. Parchment paper is so iffy. You either have to wrinkle it up so it'll stay right, or you need to do this. What I do is I take my parchment paper, I put this one straight side down, and then I put the other one and I mark it. Do you see how I scored it? And then I cut it and it fits my pan. And I don't have to worry about it coming up or anything. Yeah, a lot of people use parchment paper for when they bake roasted vegetables. I don't use parchment paper. I use foil because I like the easy cleanup. With foil, you just have to take them out and you have to toss them around a couple times. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take peanut butter, and see, my videographer, all she has is she's zeroed on the bowl. She's not zeroed out on the pan. She will be here, I think, in a minute because she realizes. Anyway, but yeah, what you do is you just ball them up, and then you're supposed to be able to get about 3.5 dozen. I think I got like 4. I think that's how many I got. See, I told you she would do that in just a minute. Man, she's sometimes, I don't get her. I think she has a brain fart every now and then.
Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. It's all about us, as we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. Yeah, you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All the years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the fuck-ups, breakups, bumps in the road we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. It's you and I. You won't say it out loud, but I can tell you're not fine. 'Cause I know you like that. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single
Yes, sometimes when I'm in the kitchen, I'm a little bit clumsy. I drop my spoon. But what I'm doing here, you can't see me, but where the cookies are, I'm going to be taking the back of my spoon, see, and pressing into it to make a little like hole, like a thumb hole. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 types of jellies. I'm going to take blackberry, strawberry, and red plum. And I'm going to put these in the center like I'm doing now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the oven for about 6 to 8 more minutes.
It's you and I. It's you and I.
I forgot to set my timer for the other cookies. So that's what I did, because I'll set the oven timer for these.
Y'all, I got a lab rat. Mr. Bob's gonna try it. Whatever. What do you think?
Not bad.
They're okay for sugar-free?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Talk to you later.
Mm-hmm.
So that's it for our PB&J cookies. I won't eat any of them because they're fruit that I don't like, so I won't be eating it. No, too tart. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all try it. I'll put the recipe in the description, and we'll talk to y'all next time. See you, bye.